Welcome back to 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Well, welcome back again with our pasta series. So today we're gonna make pasta with bumbu putih or white seasoning. Okay, garlic. I'm gonna do maybe like 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, that. Garlic. This is how you do garlic if you don't have knife. Okay, just do like this. Okay, done. Your garlic is done. So we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, 2 tablespoons of butter. She's here too. Gonna do that. Okay, 2 tablespoons. Okay, 2 tablespoons of butter, guys. Okay, and then put your garlic now. Garlic. Okay. We're gonna use mushroom today with that, so we're gonna put this amount of mushroom, perhaps. Yeah, mushroom. Then cook. Okay, and then we're gonna use coconut milk. Put coconut milk. Perhaps like 1 cup of coconut milk, half cup coconut milk. Okay. If you don't have coconut milk, you can use cream or milk. And then now put your bumbu putih. We're gonna use 3 spoons. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 spoons of bumbu putih. Then now put your pasta. I think that's enough. It's thunder, guys, outside, so it's raining. Okay. The pasta kind of creamy a little bit. Turn it down. Now you can put your salt and white pepper. I'm gonna do 2 pinch of white pepper. Okay. And then 2 pinch of salt, and then try. 1, 2. If you need more salt, you can put salt. Okay. I'm gonna try. Bueno, the pepper. Okay, so now we're gonna put the cheese. Turn it off. Then we're gonna put the cheese. Cheese. That's it. It's very simple. Mushroom with white seasoning and coconut oil. Pasta.
Coconut milk.
Yeah, coconut milk. Here. Ooh. And cheese. Put more cheese. Okay. Okay, so we have our pasta with bumbu putih, pasta with bumbu putih, coconut milk, and mushroom. It's very simple. Just need salt and cheese. You are done. Cut, chop, cook. Done. Less than 5 minutes. So you have pasta with bumbu putih. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to go to 17,000flavors.cooking. Buy make it at your home. And don't forget to make the world tastier with 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Your food, my taste. Bye bye. Bye bye.
17,000 flavors of Indonesia, make the world tastier.